what has been 2-3 pivotal moments where you saw huge changes happening? If you reflect back, whether it is AI, whether it is tech, or what really changed, and where is it heading towards?
See, the first change when the search bar came in, and the way we started doing search back then, I'm talking about 2010, 28, 2010, and that is the time we were all trying to apprehend what will happen with this board, because the minute you used to type a search statement, you used to sit for a couple of seconds, then the results used to come. But interesting phase, because the life of marketer was changing,
Yes.
and the life of some people called as techies, and that was getting built up, which I am also part of. So second change came in where diversification with the coming of social media happened, where I have not only, it was not for engagement anymore, it was much more beyond.
Yes.
And third is what we are living right now. I think all of them took somewhere around the first change, kind of matured with 5 to 8 years. The social media age matured within 5 years. And now, with the third change, which is what AI brings onto the table, it won't take 5 years.
Yeah.
It'll be like couple of years now. And within couple of years, it will fly.
Yeah, what they say na ki AI has arrived. Only thing is it's unevenly distributed.
Yes, you can say absolutely very well said. Because still, for a lot of people, AI is ChatGPT, and there's too much happening beyond it. Absolutely too much happening.
So you said three things, okay? Search, social media, and AI. So if I see search was more of high intent. When I have an intent, I'm searching. Social media was influencing that, okay, creating a need.
Yes.
And discovery and retargeting. It became very easy. Now, with the complexity of this whole customer journey coming in, how does a marketer look at different channels? पहले तो मीडिया डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टीवी न्यूज़पेपर हो गया, शाहरुख खान आ गया, सलमान खान आ गया, गर्मी में कूद गए और फिर तूफानी करना है. बट द नंबर ऑफ कंटेंट पीसेज आर लाइक ह्यूज नाउ. 20-30 कंटेंट पीसेज से कम तो कोई बात ही नहीं करता. प्लस इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग एंड ऑल इज ह्यूज. सो हाउ डू यू सी दिस चैनल्स इवॉल्विंग एंड how do you cope up with it?
See, I think, yes, it is becoming complex. Why? Because me as a consumer, my focus is reducing. So earlier, what used to happen, all of us used to sit down and watch Chitra for half an hour. Correct. So my focus was very clear. I was not jumping between a lot of channels. Then came 450 plus TV channels, whatever happened then. Then we added another screen, which was that point in time desktop or laptop. And then we added another screen, which is phones now. And that has become our primary screen. Now within that screen, every phone has more than 280 apps installed. And that's the average data which says. So between those 280 apps, I'm jumping between the apps so fast that my focus is very limited. So from that point in time, it becomes important that I'm one, visible, available on those platforms where you're moving. Second, the content which is tailored for that particular platform. Because if I'm gonna take the same asset that I would have made for Chitrahar and put it across all the apps that I'm gonna target you, or the webs that I'm gonna target you with, or on social media, I, as a brand, will not be doing justice to my consumers. And as a team, I am just blowing down the money.